Ready to go? Yes. See you soon. Drive safely. The rain is nice today. It really is. I'm glad we could do this. Me too.
Welcome, girls. Here's your sticky rice.
Thank you so much, madam. It looks delicious.
Oh, and mangoes. They're so yellow.
Let's get a few. Ah, these are perfect. Such beautiful mangoes. Just right for my fruit salad. Come warm yourself. All right, looks like a good spot. Almost there. Just a few more trips to the car. Okay, I'll grab the smaller one, big sister. Almost there.
Yeah, one more peg.
It's looking good.
We did it.
Time to get inside. Almost done with this mat. Okay, blanket goes here, right? Yes, perfect. We're getting there. The water's ready. Perfect, just in time for this ginger.
I think it's starting to slow down.
Good, it was getting loud. Smells delicious. Almost ready, just a taste test.
Smells amazing. It's almost ready.
Isn't this beautiful? I've missed this. Me too. So peaceful. Look, we're almost there.
Look at this one. Wow, that's big. We're getting so many. They're perfect.
Look at the mist. It's beautiful. I am so glad we got the tent up before this hit. Me too, this soup is perfect right now.
The dishes are almost done. I know, but I don't want to stop laughing. Me neither. This is the best.
Look at the colors in yours, they're so vibrant. Yours is so detailed, I love the little trees. They look so cozy in the tent, perfect for painting. Look at the mist gathering around that big oak tree. It's beautiful. I'm so glad we came.
Look at that one, it's so bright! Wow, it is! The sky is amazing tonight.
Come inside, it's warm and dry here. Thanks, we'll be there in a moment.